Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to add status in Jira. So first open up the project where you want to add the status, then simply click on these three dots and navigate to project settings. Here choose work types in this left menu and click on the work type that you want to change status of. So in my case it will be story, and now select edit workflow and click on add status right here. Here you can create a new status. So create a new status name. So let's say in review, and now select status category if it's to do, in progress, or done. So it's to do and click on add. Now, as you can see, a status with that name already exists. So we have to choose a different name. So click on the different name and it will be, let's say, done after, and click on add. Now you can see that the status is successfully created and you can update your workflow. Save and continue. So it is really simple. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.